All right, guys, I'm back in time for crude oil inventory report about to come out. There it is. Remember, we wait our 2 minutes. Actually, it hasn't come out yet. It's anticipating coming out in about 10 seconds. Let's see if maybe it came out early. Let's see what happens. Maybe we'll get another reaction here. There it is. All right, so the report coming out now. Almost seems like there might have been some leaked news or something, the way that the bar's printed there, but we're going to call this the high end of the reaction. And I'm going to mark this pivot low down here, even though it was really here. So let's see if we can get beyond the range. Looks like it's trying to. Yes, okay, so we're out of the range. Let's see what kind of follow through we get. Notice I don't even care what the report says. I don't even remember the last time I paid attention to the report as far as the details. I think never. That's how often I pay attention to the details of the report. Just watching the price action is all I care about. So we got 45 seconds to go. Possible short. A lot can happen in 30 seconds. Small trade. So if we have to get in sync with that, it would be at 62.69. Still a lot could happen in 15 seconds. But that's the current trade so far. Real small. And it looks like that is the trade. 69. I didn't get filled. I didn't get filled. I don't know if you did. There's another short. I should have got filled, but I didn't. Well, yeah, barely touched. You know what happened is stupid Thinkorswim was hopping around, that when I hit my target, my entry, it was at 70, and it went up to 69. So here's your next trade if you're still looking to take a trade. It's at 6258. 6258. Take a flyer on this. Technically, the other trade was it missed by 1 tick. It only went 9 out of the 10 ticks. So you're probably, if you're in that trade, you're still on the hook. So I got an order placed for the second one here. That could change. That stops at 76. Looks like it's going to change. I didn't go for the white trade. It went too far. You know, missing that target 2 by 1 tick. I'm not chasing it. So looks like we might have a long trade. That one hasn't set up yet. Histogram hasn't crossed over. In fact, it hasn't even gotten into the red. So still flat. Boy, it's not a job, it's an adventure. Every day's different. Didn't really get much beyond the range established by the reaction. And now it's kind of trading back down in the middle of it. The short's canceled, right? 2 closes above the signal line. If you're in the white trade, it still has only gone 9 ticks. Looks like it might push through here in a moment. Yep. I don't know if anyone's in that white trade, but that white trade definitely won ultimately in the end. There's another trade there. Short at 5.4. The white trade's still good. That stops at 72. Again, once that white trade got to within 1 tick of target 2, even though it was small, I wasn't interested. And if I was interested, I would have got filled and hit my winner. That's just the way I do it. This is a bigger trade. 38's the target. Still hasn't been filled. Stops at 72. Let's see if it, boy, really tight. Rangeless. No range on this reaction. I don't know if you're in the white trade or not, but if you are, you should have stopped out and it'd be finished. That white trade actually is the trade, and it was one and done. So if you're taking a flyer on another trade, it's definitely beyond the scope probably of this trade plan. There is a long now, another small trade, long at 71. The short is canceled. This is crappy price action, and it already is one and done technically. Could have got filled there. Could have got filled there. Number of places there. No setup now. Totally flat. If anyone's still taking another trade, maybe we'll get a nice move here. There's a short at 49. I don't know if I can get in on it. Again, not filled. And now it went too far. Well, maybe you guys did better than me. That's a full winner. And now it's over. So, you know, this is where chart trading would have been a lot better than trying to deal with this ridiculous active trader window. Every time it senses my mouse, it starts hopping around. And so again, I placed my order at 49, but it shows up at 52, and I didn't get filled. So the strategy did great, but I was unable to benefit from it. I hope you guys benefited from it. Good job, Jeremy. Yeah, the 610, we could take a peek now at that. This one's done. I'd rather take no trades than chase a trade that's not part of my trade plan. So, I mean, the strategy won, but my execution was really bad, as in non-existent. So I'm assuming you mean the green trade, right, John? Because that was definitely one and done, if that's the one you're referring to. And that's, I guess yours is different than mine is, you know, but 16 ticks, 23 ticks. Definitely a nice one and done on that 610 tick. Yeah, good job, you guys. So there you go. There's another short there. But again, I just got to stay to my discipline. Strategy won. Unfortunately, I didn't. Look how perfect that target was. Oh, well, it is what it is. Any questions?